If you're a first-time homebuyer looking to maximize your real estate investment, this video is for you. Today, we're walking through the concept of house hacking and how FHA loans can make it possible for you to completely offset your housing expenses and live for free. So let's get started. The first thing you might be wondering is, what is house hacking? House hacking is a powerful strategy that allows you to offset your housing expenses by renting out a portion of your property. It's a fantastic way to build wealth and take advantage of the opportunities investing in real estate has to offer. One of the key ways for first-time homebuyers especially to get started with house hacking is by using an FHA loan. FHA loans are backed by the Federal Housing Administration and offer several benefits. They have lower down payment requirements and more flexible qualification criteria compared to other loan types like a conventional loan. You see, FHA loans allow you to purchase a home with as little as 3.5% down payment. As long as you plan on using the property as your primary residence, you can purchase up to a 4-unit building. This means that you could use your FHA loan to buy a duplex. You live on one side and rent out the other side. This is also true for a triplex and a fourplex. To truly begin house hacking, it's crucial to start with proper financial planning. Assess your budget, expenses, and income to determine what you can comfortably afford on a monthly basis. Additionally, you'll want to take the steps to improve your credit score and get pre-approved for a loan. Once you've obtained your pre-approval for the FHA loan, it's time to embark on your house hunting journey. That's the most fun part. As you search for that ideal property for house hacking, it's crucial to consider not only your personal preferences, but also key factors like location, property type, and rental potential. Fortunately, your trusted real estate agent can provide invaluable guidance and assistance in evaluating these aspects. Because I know, especially when you're buying your first home, you may not know what rental rates are in the area. The process of buying a property for house hacking is quite similar to purchasing a single-family home, with the main difference being looking for a property you can occupy while also having a space to rent out. Just like a normal FHA transaction, once you've received your actual pre-approval for your loan and found the perfect house, you'll make an offer to the seller. If your offer is accepted, you'll enter into a contract, and then you'll proceed with an inspection of the property. If everything checks out, you'll be proceeding to the closing table in about 30 to 45 days. While house hacking offers many benefits, it's also important to be aware of the potential risks and challenges as well. Proper due diligence, thorough tenant screenings, and effective property management are all critical to mitigate these risks and ensure a smooth experience. Keep in mind, by using an FHA loan to house hack, you could be living in a unit directly attached to your tenant. You would not want them to turn out to be a nightmare. It's also important to be aware of the loan limits, mortgage insurance requirements, and loan terms associated with FHA loans. There are maximum loan amounts for FHA loans, which means you need to be cognizant of the price point of the property you're considering. PMI is also still a factor here. Without boring you with too many details, I want you to keep in mind that FHA loans also require that properties meet certain health and safety standards. If you're looking for a major fixer-upper to house hack, the FHA loan would not be the best route. If all of this has been sounding super good to you so far, and you want some extra information on the criteria that the property would have to meet, let me know in the comments below and I'll get you those nitty-gritty details. House hacking with FHA loans offers a unique opportunity to build wealth. By generating rental income, you can offset your mortgage payments and potentially even earn a profit. Over time, this can lead to financial freedom and the ability to invest in additional properties, expanding your real estate portfolio, and creating a path to long-term financial success. It's crazy to think that all of this is possible when buying your first property. Remember, it's important to conduct further research and consult with professionals to make informed decisions throughout your house hacking journey. If you need assistance finding a real estate agent in your area who specializes in house hacking, or if you're just ready to get started with a loan pre-approval, I would be delighted to help you out. Check the links in the description of this video to contact me directly for assistance. I'm Nicole Nark, Arkansas real estate broker, dedicated to providing videos that help you find your way home. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and I'll see you in the next one.